least that's the hoping anyways. And let me go get some tape real fast. Strap on tape. I want to have the drain plug ready to put back in. So take off most of the old tape. Like I said, the main reason yesterday that cylinder was getting hot. I thought, uh-oh, maybe I burned the oil. I think 140 is about max for hydraulic fluid. Okay, so when you're putting Teflon tape on, it's important to go the right way. So you notice the threads, when you screw it, it goes like this. You want the tape to overlap in that direction. So when you do that, a couple ways of doing it. You want it to, see, it's whatever's going to screw on is going to screw on like that. Or it screw into, and that's clockwise. So you just go like that. It's the way my dad taught me. God rest his soul. And put on a few, 5, 7 wraps, something like that, till it looks good. And then break it off. Either you use your fingernail, or you could use this and get it into the threads. Start with the bottom thread and get it in there. And we want this ready to go in, so okay, that should do it. Here's the cover for that. We have this ready. This doesn't need tape. Okay, so let's pour a little bit of this in here. Probably should have did a better job on cleaning everything, but we're in a hurry here. You see this? Remember, the drain's out. I know that. And that's about it. We got. So we want to flush out what's in there, whatever old fluid or old. See? Let's let that drain out. There you go. Let that drain out. Whatever, you know, and you can see the difference in the fluid. You can see this stuff has more of a blue to it than the other stuff. That's building like a little dam, isn't it? Anyways, well, look at that. Mobile one. So the filter is, that's pretty neat, because you can get them at Walmart for about, $14. M1. Smaller than the other one, which I'm not a fan of. I wish it was bigger. But it'll work, and I found it. So I think those things hold about a gallon or a gallon and a half. We'll see. My Ford F-250 holds like 15 quarts. So there's 4 quarts in a gallon. So 8 quarts would be what? 2 gallons. Yeah, so yeah, it's probably about 3 gallons right there then. Be right there. Okay, we put the plug back in, and then you fill it up. We'll deal with that some other time. We'll just store it for now, take it to the proper place for disposal or recycling, whatever they do with hydraulic oil. I think I can take it to Pet Belly, AutoZone. I think they still take oil. But you gotta do it the right way. Okay. Exciting stuff. Kind of guessing on where this thing needs to go, but the sight glass, I don't think it was all the way full before. Shoot, forgot to put the plug in. Talking to you guys. Well, it definitely is flush now. Definitely flush now, that's for sure. I'll see where I put the wrench. Oh, it's in my pocket. Okay, that's done. Get that out of there. Remember, the filter's on, full of oil. Like I said, we'll dispose of this another way. Another time, I mean. Okay. So, there's the sight glass, right there. Looks like in there. It needs to come up a little more. it's there yet. Sitting there. I don't think it's there yet. Here it is. A little bit of light on the subject, eh? Look at my phone. Here's the light. See what? Close. It's close. Just to show you guys, show you what I'm looking at. Nope. There's the sight glass. It shows a little bit in there, but it's not, you know, we want it. And you'll know. Still with me? Good. That's looking like it, kind of. You see this thing's going up a little bit. And this is what it looks like inside here. You can see in there. It's kind of dark. This way you can't need a light. It's almost there.